Okay, welcome to Nhadi's Educ TV. We are now in our first lesson under Practical Research 1 with the content of Nature of Inquiry and Research, the importance of research in daily life. Welcome to Practical Research 1. We are now in Chapter 1. Your learning competency is you as a learner shares research experiences and knowledge. The content is standard, the importance of research in daily life. So the title of this lesson is Fusing Experience and Knowledge. Our specific objectives for today: after the lesson, you should be able to 1. Define research. 2. Recite the concept of research across fields. Number 3. Shares research experience and knowledge. And 4. Appreciate the importance of research in daily life. In this slide, we are going to define research. Research is a process of systematic inquiry that entails collection of data, documentation of critical information, and analysis and interpretation of that data or information in accordance with suitable methodologies set by specific professional fields and academic disciplines. Moving on, we have here activity Fill Me. Direction, we have here these words play very important role in understanding this lesson. So can you help me unlock the words? We have here 5 words: rummaging, cohesive, graphics, mind map, and innovations. Rummaging is to make a thorough research. Cohesive, exhibiting or producing cohesion. Graphics, we have a picture, a drawing, an image used as a decoration. Mind map, a diagram used to visually organize information. And innovation, the act or process of introducing new ideas and methods. This slide, we are going to check your readiness. Fact checked. Below are sentences about research. Let us find out which one is true. Number 1, research begins with a problem. Number 2, research is merely gathering information. Number 3, research is transporting facts from one place to another. Number 4, research is rummaging around the hard-to-locate information. And 5, research is a creative and systematic work undertaken to get additional information. Here are now the correct facts about research. Number 1 is correct. 2, 3, 4 are wrong, while 5 correct. In this slide, we are going to reflect on your experiences. So what are the common difficulties of students in making research paper? According to Muhammad of 2019, the major problems faced by students in writing research paper, we have the topic selection problem, problem in paraphrase, second language problem, literature review, plagiarism, and form. Let us again reflect on your experience. What is the most challenging part of research? According to researcharticles.com of 2020, the big part of your research paper encompasses the evaluation of data that you obtain from your research. This evaluation and analysis can make your research successful or not. There's also a big responsibility that you provide valid, reliable, and authentic data and its evaluation. So in this slide, what are some solutions recommended by experts? So we have here the challenge. The first challenge is choosing the right topic. Recommendations from the experts from Walden University of 2022. Develop a doable topic. Read everything you can on the topic. Find a theoretical basis to support your topic. Make sure the topic will hold your interest. Look for a niche in which you can make a difference. Let yourself shift gears. Fine-tune your topic based on input from others. So let us take this example. What is a mind map? Mind maps are from a nonlinear notes developed by Tony Buzan. The term mind map is actually a trademark of his company. It is a free-flowing scribbling full of illustrations, keywords, and connections. Also, this refers to mind maps as concept maps, spray diagrams, and spider diagrams, according to Simon of 2013. In this slide, what you see is an example of a mind map. At the center, there is the right questions, accompanied by the questions where, what, why, how, when, who, which. Under where, it can be a situation, a vision. On what, it can be a mission. Under why, we have values or priorities. How, it is considered as the planning, goals, and resources. When, of course, that is timing, programming. And who, the network, the team. And which, we have the options and risks. On this slide, let us take the example B, difficulties or challenges and solutions. Challenge, staying motivated and working your plan. Recommendations, follow your passion and your purpose. Monitor your attitude and reward yourself. And most especially, ask for help, according to Walden University of 2022. On this slide, definition of terms are provided. We have authentic, free-flowing, nonlinear, plagiarism, and scribbling. So if you have difficulty understanding those words, here are their definitions. On this slide, this is now your task 1. Note, you have to search for the title, and the title is Fusing Experience and Knowledge, Task 1, Nature of Inquiry and Research, Practical Research 1, Quantitative, Chapter 1, on the web link Daisy's TV, because you need to do the assessment task individually. Instructions: to determine your concise learning about this lesson, your task is uploaded to the link provided below. Use it to navigate your task and answer the needed information and questions. So guys, that ends our lesson. For further reading, here are the references of this lesson. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell, add comments on this video. Thank you very much. And for further information, the author is already here, the name, the address, and the purpose of this material. Thank you very much.